This really it's happening something new, and on behalf of my West Bengal government and people of West Bengal, we convey our greatest gratitude to all of you. Not only you, your countrymen, your family members, your colleagues, your employees, and for your future generation also. They have to come up. Old is always gold, and we have to leave it to my young generation also. They have to come up in the future. So let them see the better result, what we can produce today. They are the future of the country, new generation. They have to flag fly. Thank you so much again, and thanks indeed. Our Bengal Global Business Summit 2016, really it is excellent, superb, fabulous, and thank you so much for overwhelming success. I think my core groups of the industry, they have done tremendous work. All the principal secretaries of the department, the organizations, the delegates, the friends. Though I don't think that only 1.5 days or 2 days is possible to solve all these. We need more and more time. Even if it is 7 days, it should continue like this also. The energy is too much. The energy is flying just like, it's a mind-blowing energy. Thanks to all of you. Salute to all of you, my industry friends. Now, so many MOUs already signed, and so many is also on the process also. Sometimes, you know, all the big captains of the industries, they announced yesterday also their policy. Somebody said, we used to convert our industry from other place to this place. Somebody said, we want to invest so much things for Bengal. Somebody said, it is a destination. Some people say that, yes, everywhere the industrial capacities, augmentation and development is exhausted. So this is a new destination, and I told you, this is not only today. I am speaking from the beginning when my Bangladesh friend Tofail is here. They will appreciate that Bengal is the destination for the industrial growth today. And Bengal is not only the gateway, it is the temple, mosque, Gurudwara, Girja for the industrial development. Why? This is the gateway. From this gateway, the Asian countries, and now, if you don't touch the Asian countries, how the business will come up? Sometimes we have to remember, always we think for the big industry. Yes, there are some big industry, there are some medium industry, there are some small industry also, some cottage industry also, the concrete industry also, cement industry also, and there are some brick field also. Everywhere, everything is very much needed. I cannot say only one industry can satisfy us all. It is all together. The complete package, the comprehensive package is needed for that. Shall I tell you one thing? I have not counted all the proposals till now. It will take some time. We have not counted all the proposals, whatever it came in or whatever is going to happen in future. But very restrictedly, whatever we counted, that is also not less than 2,50,104 crores. The investment proposal which are already in hand, and big projects, the announcement is there, they are planning also. But instead of that, I am telling you, it is not less than, again I repeat, rupees 2,50,104 crores. Is it a fact? What you gave it to me, my Chief Secretary, my Industry Minister, Kishore, and my Krishna Gupta, all you gave it to me. Is it a fact, Gautam Shandal? All you work together, you gave it to me. So thank you so much, all the industry. Thanks to my foreign delegates. Thank you so much. You came from too far. But really, we love all of you. We have a special thanks to you and your countrymen also. The sector-wise breakup, I think later on Amit Mitra can give my finance minister. Let them prepared. But I think manufacturing sector, I have every figure with me. But I don't want to waste your time. That's why I said the manufacturing sector, it is 1,60,958 crore. Like this, there are so many. Mining sector also, textile sector also, power sector also, IT and telecom sector also, urban development sector also, township sector also, transport sectors, health sectors, education sector, tourism sectors, and there are so many. And that's why I thought that I should have tell you whatever I have received till now, the concrete proposals and all this. And I'm happy that Group Airlines, they are starting one new airlines. The Ondal Airport, it's a greenfield airport, #1 airport in India, greenfield airport. It's only one greenfield airport. It is in Bengal. We are giving the fuel tax-free fuel also. And their growth is also very good. Railway also, when I was the railway minister, I gave so many railway projects, and it will be coming out within very short span. So the transportation system will be very good. We have the transportation system in inland water also. There also we are doing very well. Now that day, I visited Noyachar along with my industry friends or Sanjeev, all were there with me. There also we have seen more than 12,000 acres lands are available. It is an island area. I talked to Poshun. The land belongs to Poshun, is also here, you are present. I discussed the matter with him also. I said, you do your business in Baduyapur area. It's it is not matured now. Even I cannot say prematured also. 50-50. So what we discussed, Noyachar also there is a big hope and scope that we will resume the land and there we will give a new destination for the eco-tourism hub to give more importance to my fishermen and for tourism. That also we are planning, that also jointly we are working so that there will be no policy. Startup policy, design policy, township policy, everything we have seen. And new 6 towns are coming, theme city. Yesterday I discussed. The other 15-20 cities are also coming. And land we are giving from our land bank. Rest assured, I can assure all my industry friends. The government of West Bengal set up their land bank. We have the land bank. Again I am repeating, in industrial park, if you set up the industry in the industrial park, now also readily available 5,000 acres land for setting up the industry in the industrial park. And more than 1 lakh crore lands are available with the government for the industry purpose also. Land bank is there, land use policy is there, land map is there, administrative calendar is there, Right to Service Act is there, even 43 department, no affidavit, nothing. Ease of business doing, it is only 1 page now. Even provisional certificate also we are giving for trade and fire license also. Everything is very smoothly going on. I need your full support and investment. Again, new deep sea port is coming in Bengal. It is Bhor Sagar. I think tender is already been floated by the central government. The state government also, we have the equity about 26%. The another port, Rasulpur, is also coming. So Noyachar is also just in front of Haldia port. So huge potentiality is there. If you see my country, you will see in every state, one particular theme is there. Maybe hill, somewhere forest, somewhere sea. But Bengal, the beauty is, you will see the Royal Bengal tiger, to hill, to river, to forest, everything is there. Sea, river, forest, hill areas, agro-products industry, agriculture, and the industry, everything. Power, no power shortage. We are power banking. We will give the light. We have already 95% completed. সবার ঘরে আলো, অর্থাৎ সবার ঘরে আলো আমরা পৌঁছে দিয়েছি। And 95% we are successful for this also. We are doing the power banking. Another, so many power projects are coming. NTPC is also doing. Our WBPDCL, they are also doing. The Sanjeev Goenka and others, they are also doing. It will add more and more. So new airports, new township, new power project, new railway project. Kolkata International Airport already started operation. Durgapur Ondal Airport already started functioning. Now North Bengal Bagdogra Airport, we have already given the land for expansion of Bagdogra Airport also. We have connected through helicopter 8-9 places also, and other also Kuch Bihar. Now the planes started small flights, and also for Malda and Balurghat also we are trying. So it will be connected also. So I will request all of my friends, invest more and more. Bengal, once it was #1 for manufacturing industry, jute industry, tea industry, engineering industry. Yes, because of 34 years the legacy we are facing. You just tell me, I am not the experts and I am not the economic experts also. But I am paying. I am means my government. Our government is paying debt because of our earlier government, this debt. 1 lakh crore, more than 1 lakh crore I paid within these 4.5 years. Can you imagine? When we came in power, our earning revenues were 20,000 crores. Within 4 years, it is double, 20,000 to 40,000 crores. 200% of the growth. And now, we started e-tendering, e-servicing, e-system everywhere to maintain the transparency, accountability, credibility. If the credibility is lost, everything is lost. And every credibility, it matters. And our credentials is our credibility. That also we are trying to. Within these 4 years, 15 new universities has been set up. 45 new colleges. Earlier, within 66 years after independence, it was only 30. Now, within these 4 years, we faced panchayat election, municipality election, parliament election. We lost 2 years' time for election purpose also. By-election, so many. Instead of that, 600% more our infrastructural growth. 41 new multi-super hospitals are coming in Bengal. And within January 30th, 20 will be in operational, and within 3 months, another 3 months, 41 will be operational. Sometimes you have to see the socio-economic development also. If you see where we came in, our institutional delivery rate was 65%. And within these 4 years, it is 95%. Don't you think it is very important work, what we have given justice to the people, the society? If you see the government help to the poor people, that also I am telling you, I am proud to say, 90% the government help reach to the grassroots people. It may be from scholarship, it may be from cycle, it may be from food program, food for work program, food safety program. And earlier there was a big problem for Jungle Mahal and Darjeeling. Now Jungle Mahal is also smiling. Darjeeling is also smiling. So there is a big hope and scope. We have enough land, power, my skilled worker. Can you tell me, can you show me that Bengal young generation, how they are talented? They are working from Nasha to Bhasha. If you see Bangalore, the IT industry, who are working there? All my Bengal people are working there because they are talented too much. We are proud of them. So everywhere they are working. I consider all of my state, all they are doing very well. I don't discriminate one state to another state or one country to another country. We feel all we are a same family. India is a sweet family, and world have become our sweet family. And if our mind is broad, and if we tolerate everyone, if everybody, they have peace in their mind, everything can be done. I believe so. And I believe also that we have to help the farmers. This agricultural production, we are #1. Skill development, Bengal is #1 in India. Fair price medicine shop, Bengal is the model. Fair price diagnostic center, Bengal is the model. LW area, Naxalites, total area peaceful became now, it is model. Like this small scale industry, the investment, we are #1. 100 days work for poor people, that is also we are #1. From agro marketing to health facilities, we give full free health treatment to the people. No bed fare or no medicine fare, all free medicine, health for all we are giving, health for all, education for all. We are trying our best. So I will request all of you that please invest Bengal. Bengal is a peaceful area. And for India, what matters? Earlier I have seen everyday strike, everyday bandh, everyday kamroko in the name of that political flag flying. I have seen it in my own eyes. Earlier the mandates lost was 78 lakhs. Now nothing. It was very difficult. From 78 lakhs mandates lost and it became 0. It's very difficult. But we are successful because of you. You also help us and we also help you. Sometimes somebody may have some problems, but if any problems comes to us, through any agency, through any individuals, even if somebody give me a letter also, that I am facing this problem, within half an hour, within an hour, we have solved all these problems. We don't want to harass the industrialist. I think the lesson must go from this Bengal Global Conference also. Our appeal should be all the government. It is not good for the industry to harass the industrialist. It is good for the industry. Let them be in peace so that they can fly their flag in a high sky manner. Sometimes I have the power. I cannot go every day for raid. Sometimes I am in the power. I cannot bulldoze you. We have to see that what the businessmen, they have some flexible system also. We have to give them the space also. We have to give their mind relaxation also, so that their mind should come up with specific vision and theme. And if everybody is afraid, oh my God, these tax people are coming. Oh my God, where I'll keep the money, these and these are coming. Then they'll be afraid. I'll appeal all the government throughout my country that let the industry run in this manner. The money should flow, and if the money comes from the industry, my country will be benefited. My country will be benefited. Instead of harassing them, tell them you give more CSR. You increase your CSR even 5%. But if you say all the black money is different something. And harassing is different something. Black money, wherever you have, you collect it. We will be very happy if you bring the black money. And if you can use that black money for the development purpose, we will be very, very honored. But industry, some people, they have to keep the money. Few. Because any day, any disaster may come place. Sometimes they need money for the employees' purpose. If my house, if you ask me, if any disease come, I have to allow one person to hospitalized. If I don't deposit the money, the hospital will not allow me the private nursing home for treatment. So like this, it is a simple example I am giving you. That let the industry, I think Sumita, Sanjeev Harsh, my industry, all chambers, all important people are here. Let us give a message to all. Give message first to me. Charity begins at home. I am talking about me. Started from me. I can give you assurance, my government will not harass one single industry where you have any problem. Even if there is any problem, we will negotiate. We will give you the time that please sort it out. That is the option. But if I bulldoze, because I am in the chair, if I say no, you do it, because the bad name sometimes, if you give a bad name, the prestige is lost. If the prestige is lost, everything is lost. I think this we must take care. We must take care. Politically, there should not be any vendetta, which vendetta can spoil the situation. I think political people, we the politicians, we must be in a broad mind. Our mind should be open mind. Our mind should be very wholehearted mind, so that it touches hearts of the people. I can assure you from our side, Bengal, I will not allow anybody to disturb you unless we are here, and we will all take care. Even I was in the opposition also, I worked there. 34 years, from my childhood I worked there. I became MP about 7 terms also. But never we oppose this. Never we disturb the industrialists. This is not our nature. And please I tell you that. I will request all the people, because so much all the industrialists are here. Let the message should go that let us help together our industry, because the economic recession because of this, and industrial, there are some problems in the worldwide also. Sometimes the Sensex is dropped like anything. So we have to help each other. If we help each other, if mentally they are peaceful, I believe my industry, the captain of the industry, my small industry, big industry, medium industry, they are the asset of the country. They are the asset of the world. Let the message should go to the world that we are for industry family, we are for farmers family, we are for the commoners family. I never believe that I am in the chair, that is a VIP chair. I believe that is the LIP chair, means less important person chair. Let us behave like this. If you work for the people, you have to be humble, you have to be submissive, you have to be very soft. Administratively, sometimes you have to be very rough and tough. Yes, I like this. If some goons come, do you think that I will be very soft there? No, not at all. Because my patriotism, you cannot question. My patriotism, my motherland question, you cannot question. We will not allow any communal tension, we will not allow these anti-social elements or the goons or the guns. We are in favor of the peaceful coexistence. And that's why my Bengal summit is giving the message. Let us help for the industry. Let us, eyes should be open. Let us think for unity, let us speak for unity, let us work for unity, and let us work for countries, states, and for the world also. Our target is to make Bengal #1 investment destination in India. This target, I am sure it will be fruitful. We just started yesterday, means last year. This is the second year. And third year also, according to our administrative calendar, I have got a request that if we can defer for two weeks more, then for the outsiders can come in. So next time our industrial meet, this Bengal Global Conference, will be on 20th and 21st of January, and 19th will be dinner. So please fix up your administrative calendar from now, so that one year time you can calculate your program, your future program and everything. And next year after election, USA also invited us, and other countries also, German and other friends, Japan, China, all will take care. And whenever you go to abroad, we go along with my industry friends, because they are my asset and they run the industry. I am not. I am that employees that yesterday I have already cleared. And again, please to come our Bengal conclave next year with smiling face, with bright face, with new achievement, new vision, new thinking, new emotion. And from our side, whatever I can do, we'll try our best. I must thanks to Ujjwal, Kishore, Krishnakant, this Krishna Gupta, my Chief Secretary, all the Principal Secretaries, my Police Commissioners, my West Bengal Police, all my core committee, all my industry, my delegates, my friends, administration, ITC hotel, other hotel, wherever our delegates were staying because of their hospitality, and also my press media friends, of course, obviously. Please give us full support. Thank you so much. Without your support, we cannot go ahead. Bengal is ahead, so you are also give us support for going ahead. And with this dream, I thank you again. Thank you so much for coming. It may be concluded today, but please have some lunch and then don't go for dieting. Take some food also. You are working hard from the morning also. And also full day you work, night also you work, day also you work, morning also, industry also you work. Please have some lunch and then we can meet every day. Any moment we can meet. Every second we can meet. Every moment whenever is the necessity we will meet. But officially, of course, if there is a conclave or international function or the function, then what we say, the concluding remarks is that let us work together. I'll be very happy if you smile. Let us give service with smile to the people, service with smile to the world, service with smile to the country. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. And I will give my best wishes to all of your family members who are not present here, your colleagues also, and who are going to abroad. Please enjoy Bengal, Kolkata, and also I wish safe and sound journey for your future also. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. So nice of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I want to tell all the principal secretaries, my core groups, my captain of the industries, CII, FICCI, SOCM and all, please give a big hands to them. And also let us give us, I want that my dais, this dais should give you a standing ovation. I want to request all the people to give a standing ovation to all the captain of the industries, all my delegates, all my friends. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please don't forget us, don't miss us. Please come to again and please, with your great hope and scope, please come. Jai Hind, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Sare jahan se acha Hindustan hamara, we shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome. Again and again. Thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much. Banglar mati, Banglar jol, Banglar bayu, Banglar fol, punno hok, punno hok, punno hok. Hey Bhagavan. Thank you so much.